morning. I'm Denise Jonas, and this is the second day of MTV Live and Mobile. And it's time to wake up the boys. It's really early, and I have not had any coffee, so let's do this. Keep the right one. Wake up Kevin first. I like to always go out down there. Kevin? Morning. Morning. Time to wake up. Where's your friend?
Oh my gosh, please go away.
Nah, he's a sweetie. Okay, do you know what you want for breakfast?
Yeah, can I have a bagel?
Where's your life?
Please.
Bagel? You got it, babe.
Ah.
And Daddy wants to know if you can borrow a razor.
If I had a razor.
Okay, you don't have any razors? I can see that. Okay.
No, I need one though.
I'll get you one too.
I think Catherine might have one.
Okay. You want to say good morning?
Good morning, MTV. Welcome to our day.
Let's go wake up Joe. He won't be as pleasant. Thank you.
Let's quickly turn the lights on.
Okay. Uh-oh. Guess what Joseph's done?